Greetings, troops. Welcome back to the channel. What a fucking day last Friday. Do you know what? I'm laughing. We went from a high of 67.50 at the close of after hours on the Thursday to a low of 26.12 on the Friday. We closed at 28.22, down 40%. And I'm laughing about it. Do you know what? A few years ago, this would have absolutely terrified me. I'd have looked at my gains up here and I'd have gone, oh no, I've missed a mega opportunity there. But after 3 years, 4 years, it's like, it just makes me laugh. It absolutely makes me laugh. So what have we got? We got the news that there was a 75 million share offering. Nobody knows if that has been done yet. Roaring Kitty did his live stream. That was absolutely hilarious. I did watch it. And at first I was like, what's going on? I mean, he was late. There's theories behind all of that. But he was late. And then he was just like turned up like as if he'd been in some sort of car crash, which you could say this whole scenario is really. But I just found it all hilarious. And then the Holtz joined the live stream. If you've not seen it, troops, go and watch it, please. At least watch the last 5 minutes. It's well worth it. But the Holtz were just ridiculous. I was like, hang on a minute. That shouldn't be Holt in there. It hasn't done anything. So take from that what you will, troops. But it tanked the moment, like here. His stream was scheduled to start at 12 o'clock Eastern. And it tanked. The price absolutely tanked. It went from a high of 38.15 to a low of 35.12, and it just kept falling. It just kept falling all the way through his stream. I think his stream was like, I don't know, started here maybe 12:35 when it started, 35 minutes late, and it just like kept tanking the whole way through, right down to like $30, something like that. So unbelievable what's going on, troops. Unbelievable. So I'm sure, listen, I know there's a lot of option buyers that you bought contracts, you bought calls last week at those 30, 35, 40, 45, 50 dollar strike prices, and I'm really sorry you've lost money. But it just, again, I don't do options. I don't do them, mostly because I don't have access to them on any of the trading platforms that I use. I probably would try it if I could, but days like Friday just make you realise how manipulated this all is. If they can take it from $67.50 to $26.12, that's a $40 swing. A $40 swing. And you can't tell me that when this is running up like this, all the way up here, this is all us selling. This is where the news of earnings and the offering came out. So that's what tanked it there. But it's not us, troops. It's not us. From what I can see, social sentiment is exactly the same as what it has been for years. So we go again this week. One thing Roaring Kitty did do, he did show his position. And where is it? I think it's here. He showed his position. He's still got 5 million shares. He's still got 120,000 contracts, call options at the $20 strike. And as of time of recording, his day's gain was minus $235,850,000. Unbelievable. And like, I'm here thinking, whoa, somebody, I could have lost a few $100 there or a few $1,000s. This guy, like, it's paper, okay? It's up and down on paper. But that just gives you some perspective of how big this play is. When somebody can sit there laughing and joking like this and their day's gain is minus nearly $236 million on paper, what does that tell you? Like, he knows. He must know something or he's expecting something. So fair play to him. What a smart guy. Anyway, today, let me try and get rid of this. Today, pre-market, we're gapping up ever so slightly, 7% so far, $30.17. Just got to wait it out, troops. Those options expire on the 21st of July. There's a few catalysts coming up. We've got GameStop shareholder meeting this week, so that is going to that's going to be interesting. I'm also interested to see if they have actually done any of this share offering, whether any of those 75 million shares made it into the market, or if this was just all short sellers. Because if it was, they are in a world of trouble. Because what was the volume? I can't remember, but it was nearly 300 million or something like that. So you would expect some of that to be the 75 million. But if it's not, then that just means they have shorted it. Maybe they were shorting it, thinking that there was 75 million shares going in there, but there wasn't. So that short volume, is just mostly shorting. That would be ridiculous. Anyway, far above my level of intellect, that is. So we see what happens today, troops. AMC, again, riding the coattails a little bit. That was also down 15% on Friday, closed at 491. Pre-market, not really budging, 495 at the moment. I mean, to be fair, troops, both of them are on short sale restriction today. So, as if that means anything. We all know that. But we're back, troops. We're back and we're watching, and there's something funky going on. Look at these spikes in after hours last week. GameStop did the same, look. Back up to 63.87. Weird, man. Glitch. It's just a glitch. Anyway, we will see what happens. Troops, I'm watching this. I'm going to be doing a few videos on it, no doubt, as it plays out over the next couple of weeks. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, troops.